In this video, I want to have some trending niche ideas for you. Now, when it comes to this type of stuff, I'm trying to help you understand the patterns of what are making sales right now so you can create your best seller online. Now, the Amazon hot new releases, I enjoy looking at this. You can look at it every week. I personally like to look at it every week. You can look at it every other day, whatever it is, how you want to approach this. But I feel like when you're looking at this, these are some of the newest ideas on Amazon. And then they start to get really low BSRs, right? So in the video, you're gonna see that we have some BSRs that are around, 75K BSR, and we have 100K BSR, and these are newer products that were, just uploaded, designs that were uploaded to Amazon merch, right? And you just taking that same concept and you can apply it, over to Etsy, you can apply it to Amazon, your own website. We're doing research on the number one online shopping platform. Keep that in mind, right? And make sure you're always double checking for trademarks and copyrights because that's very, very important. Let's get into this video. Smash that like button for me if you want me to continue to keep on creating weekly content like this because it helps me create more. These are going to be some trending niche ideas that I found on the new releases. And I like to look at this right here, Amazon hot new releases, because it helps me understand what people are buying, but also what is trending right now. Okay. And that's one of the main things when I look for patterns here. If you can find patterns here and you can leverage that, to your, for example, for this one, like if you can leverage these patterns and apply it to your niche or one, that you have an idea for or a concept for, this is one way to enter those very big, like competitive niches with a lot of competition. Okay. So remember, don't be scared because there's very little competition, but there's a high demand that, you just, that one design, you rake on that front page and you can make thousands and thousands of dollars if you're doing this correctly, right? So let's come over here. I need a hug from a baddie. Now, one thing I want you to do here is I'm just sharing this with you. This is like a simple text-based design, right? But also you got to make sure that you're double checking for trademarks and copyrights because that's very, very important, especially if you're new to this business. And it doesn't matter where you're selling at, Amazon, Etsy, your own website, or or trying to leverage your own website, try to drive your own traffic. This is one way to do that because these are niches that they're making a lot of sales. They're making a lot of money. Like this shirt probably sold like 10 times today, 20 times today. Okay. And there's some things about this, it's very tricky with trademarks and copyrights, but like this is a simple text-based design. I need a hug from a baddie, right? And if you look at the last 30 days, look, it made a sell. So when you see something like this, made a sell 7 days ago. But look at the sales rank, 74, 81, like 81K. The lower, right? The lower the sales velocity, the more sales it's going to make. Especially within this short period of time, most likely people are sharing this online, right? Now, here's another one. Easter's coming up too, right? It's pretty close, right? But look what they did here. Now, what else can you do this with? Okay. And then same thing with this one. Like what other need a hug from a baddie? Like I need a hug from blank, change the keyword out. And that's a different t-shirt idea, right? Okay. Let's leveraging that concept, leveraging the idea. Now, what else can we do here? Taking the cat and we can put dogs. We can put llamas. We can put capybaras. Like what else can we do? Raccoons, frogs, goose, like a goose. There's so much different things that you can do right here. Okay, you can see 100 bought in the past month. Come down, look at the sales rank, look at the last 90 days. It's made its first sale on February 5th, and look at this thing. It's just crushing, making sales. Right? Whew. It's gonna get the closer it gets to Easter, this thing's gonna be flying off the shelf. Okay, this is one of these new designs that started making sales. Right now, no kings. Now, something when it comes to current events, certain ideas, political stuff. Right, you have to be careful with like certain things that you do, but there's ways to work around it. Right now, with that being said, like this is like a big movement right now. No kings. You can see like it's a woman with the Statue of Liberty kind of crown on. The little flame, the little flame thing going on right there. Got a little bit of flowers from the outside, it looks like. Okay, no kings. And the last 90 days, if you look at that, it's made its first sale this month, but it is cranking. Okay, making a lot of sales. Next one, this orgy is sure is off to a slow start. Now, with something like this, like, right, this is more of like like a sexual type of thing, right? But now that's what I'm getting it, right? That's what I'm getting from this. But like, what else can you do here? And I may be wrong, like, I'm pretty sure that's what that's referring to. But like, what else can be done here for you to create a unique design? And it's not hard. You can leverage Chat GPT. You can leverage Claude AI to help you come up with different concepts, different ideas, Gemini, whatever you're using. This is, there's certain things that you can do here and different ideas. You can see it's made its first sale on the 3rd of March, and it's cranking, making sales. People are buying this. And if you probably search online, look on X, you look on, you look on Google search it, it's out there for sure. So No Kings Day is from March the 28th. Okay, so I guess they're doing a No Kings Day this day, right? And it's probably going crazy. People are probably pushing this shirt out so they can go out and protest or whatever they're doing, or whatever they plan on doing this day right here though. But it's coming up, right? What, in 9 more days? Probably 8 more days when this video gets out. But this is very powerful, because if you see something like this just in the future in general, you can get ahead of this and you can create something that people are going to wear. That's when you make, it's going to happen maybe like 1 or 2 days, and it might even happen again, right? There's certain designs like this that are already on Amazon that are making sales, that are are making sales, but then sometimes it goes for 1 day, but then sometimes it goes all year long, and then keeps going. So I just want you to understand that. We come down here, you can see that the consistent selling, the BSR, and it seems like when it's getting closer to that day, that BSR is dropping. Sales rank, it's at 105. Crazy, right? And then here is another one related to that one. Okay, so there's definitely a lot of these designs selling right now, and I want you to think about for the No Kings and for the, I think it would be just No Kings Day, but I think there's always people against and there's people for it. So I always want you to think about that when it comes to anything like this. Go down, just a crown with the little, the circle with the slash through it, and you can see that it's making consistent. So this is very powerful. Understanding the ideas and the concepts and looking at the patterns, leveraging this. This is one of my favorite things to do research on. I'll do it like once a week over here. But understanding what are making sales, because you're leveraging one holiday, right? Most likely it's going to work for the next holiday. Okay? If you see something like this working for St. Patrick's Day, will it work for Easter? Will it work for Cinco de Mayo? Will it work for 4th of July? So you want to think ahead. Okay. And there's probably different ideas that you're seeing that I'm not seeing, and you're probably seeing it like, oh, that's a good idea. So I would literally take a look at this right here. This will be a very, very powerful way to do research when it comes to anything like this. And then also, if you want research done for you, I do offer research where it's called the Top Research Design Vault. Comes with 20 low competition niches every single week, and I actually have a free download down below too as well if you want to download to get an idea of how I do research. But this comes back with over here in the back end, you get a spreadsheet with the niche, the keywords, the link, the competition score, and the prompt idea, and then the design angle. Every single week, 20 new ideas. You sign up now, you get access to over 1,800 niches right now. So you definitely get your money's worth. I'm just over delivering by all means back here. And this helping you, giving you an understanding of how to do research the correct way. And if you're enjoying this type of video and you want more videos like this weekly, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button and watch this video right here next for more low competition niches. Peace out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.